In this video, we will see how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024000e on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows Update error code, then right click on the Start button and choose Settings. Here from the left side, go to System Settings. From the right side, scroll down and you will find the option Troubleshoot. This is an Windows inbuilt tool. Here choose Other Troubleshooters. And here look for Windows Update Troubleshooters. Click on Run Windows Update Troubleshooters. If you are facing Windows Update related any type of issues, then you must run Windows inbuilt tool Windows Update Troubleshoot and follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the Start button and choose Run. Here in Run dialog box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. Services windows will now open. Here you will have to start or restart various Windows update related services. And the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose restart, otherwise start. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next services is cryptographic services. Right click on it, choose restart. If you found it in a stop mode, then start it, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and go to W alphabet and find Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. In my case, it is in stop mode, so we will choose start it and apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Same process, right click on it and choose start or restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes and check whether you're or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. And in command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one in your command prompt windows. DISM online scanhealth, DISM online checkhealth, and DISM online restore. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. In command prompt windows, after blinking cursor and press enter on each time, and thereafter execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc/scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully execution of sfc scan now command, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your system Windows update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and here type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup. Click on open. Here select the drive you want to clean up, preferably by C drive where your program files exist. And a new window will open. Here files to delete section, go to there and make the check against all these options: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, downloaded caches, etc. And finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. After that, check whether Windows update error code fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Again, and you will have to run some Windows Update components in command prompt windows as shown on screen. These are the various Windows Update components. First, execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time to stop these 4 services. And thereafter, execute some other Windows Update components as shown on screen. All this command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Execute one by one in command prompt windows. Don't forget to press enter on each time and follow on screen instruction. And once successfully execution of these components, execute these 4 commands to start all those 4 services. You have earlier stopped them, now start them. Execute one by one followed by enter key on each times. After that, close the command prompt windows, restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the net fixes, manually download your Windows Update. To manually download update in your system, open your browser and here look for Microsoft Update Catalog. Open Microsoft Update Catalog as first result appeared. Click on it and in Microsoft Update Catalog window, in search field, type the desired KV update which you want to download and install it in your system. KV update, for example, we will type KV 5052093 and click on search. And here you will find the download button against each update. Simply click on download and install Windows Update manually. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installing.